In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Capcut less laggy. Have you ever been in the middle of editing a video on Capcut only to be slowed down and frustrated by unexpected lagging? Well, don't worry, we're here to solve this issue step by step, allowing you to enjoy a much smoother editing experience. Let's dive right in by addressing one simple factor that often causes lag, not just in Capcut but in most apps: running too many apps in the background. Having multiple applications open can consume a substantial amount of your device's processing power and memory, which inevitably slows everything down. Close any unnecessary apps that might be running and putting an extra strain on your system. This easy step can free up valuable resources for Capcut to function more efficiently. Next, it's always a good practice to restart your device. Doing so can help completely refresh your system's memory and potentially fix minor bugs and glitches that may affect your device's performance. A quick restart can work wonders in improving the speed and responsiveness of your applications, including Capcut. Another effective way to enhance performance is to be mindful of the file sizes and resolutions you're working with. Larger files and higher resolutions naturally demand more from your device, so whenever possible, try using smaller video files or lower resolution clips during your editing process. This way, the app requires less power to process that content, which can help reduce lag. Clearing Capcut's cache is another action that can significantly improve performance. Over time, cache data can accumulate and affect your device's speed. To clear the cache, simply tap on the Capcut app, proceed to Me, then go to Settings, represented by a gear icon, where you'll find the option to clear your cache. This can free up space and potentially improve how smoothly the app runs. It's also essential to keep Capcut updated to its latest version. App updates often include crucial enhancements and bug fixes designed to help it run more smoothly. So head over to your app store, tap on your profile and check for available updates. If one is available for Capcut, go ahead and install it to ensure you're benefiting from the latest improvements. If you're still experiencing issues, consider lowering the preview quality in Capcut settings. This can decrease the amount of your device's resources required for real-time preview, allowing for a more seamless editing experience. Lastly, while Capcut offers amazing effects, using too many heavy effects can slow things down considerably. Whenever possible, use a lighter approach by minimizing these features. Reducing the number of effects applied can considerably enhance the performance of the app. Follow these steps and you should notice a real difference in how Capcut performs on your device. Thanks for watching and happy editing.